Hi, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we discuss simple ways that you can maintain your budgeting goals through the winter holiday season. The holiday season is a time of joy, celebration, and generosity, but it can also be a time of stress, anxiety, and overspending. Many people struggle to keep their finances in check during this festive period and end up with a pile of debt and regret in the new year. How can you avoid this scenario and enjoy the holidays without breaking the bank? Here are some tips on how to create and stick to a realistic holiday budget that works for you. Number 1. Plan ahead. The first step to sticking to your budget is to have a budget in the first place. Start by making a list of all your expected holiday expenses, such as gifts, travel, food, decorations, and charitable donations. Be as detailed as possible and include everything you can think of. Then, decide how much you can afford to spend on each category based on your income, savings, and other financial obligations. This will help you set a clear spending limit and prioritize your spending.
2. Keep track of your spending.
Once you have your holiday budget set, you need to track your spending and make sure you don't go over it. You can use a notebook, an app, or a simple budgeting site to record every purchase you make during the holiday season. This will help you see where your money is going and how much you have left to spend. You can also compare your spending to your budget and adjust accordingly if you find yourself overspending or underspending on certain categories. Lastly, be versatile. You don't have to spend a lot of money to show your love and appreciation to your friends and family. There are many ways to give meaningful and memorable gifts without breaking the bank. And here are some things you can try. 1. Make your own gifts. Homemade gifts are not only cheaper but also more personal and thoughtful.
2.
Give experiences. Instead of giving material things, you can try giving experiences that your loved ones will enjoy and remember, such as tickets to a concert, a movie, a museum, or a sporting event. You can also try going to a restaurant, a spa, or a bookstore. Or you can create your own experiences, such as a picnic, a hike, or a game night. 3. Give your time. Sometimes the best gift you can give is your time. Giving your time is a great way to show your support and make a difference. Lastly, have fun. The most important thing to remember is that the holiday season is not about how much money you spend, but how much joy you share. Don't let your budget stress you out or ruin your holiday spirit. Instead, focus on the positive aspects of the season, such as spending time with your loved ones, expressing your gratitude, and celebrating your traditions. How do you keep to your budget throughout the holidays? Let us know in the comments section below. And if this video has helped you learn something new, feel free to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, and see you in the next video.